Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
Hi friends, thanks for joining. It is September. It's that weird time between summer and fall, but it is tailgate season. We are gonna make something so good from Bobby Flay. It's called Nacho Burger. It's a combination of two favorite things, nachos and burger. Genius.
So the first thing we need to do is to make Bobby Flay salsa. We have Roma tomatoes, red onions, nacho chipotle, and the adobo, I can't say it. A little cilantro. And then on top of that, we're gonna add in some vegetable oil and a touch of red wine vinegar. And then we're gonna mix all that up together. It is so pretty.
It smells, I don't even know how to describe it. It smells a little stinky, a little sour. And that's that.
And then we're going to get our burgers ready. But first, we also had to make Bobby's cheese sauce. Let us show you how to do it. It's really easy. So first you need unsalted butter, some all-purpose flour, mix that all up for 30 seconds until it gets nice and golden. Add your milk, let that cook for about 5 minutes stirring, and then you're gonna add in your cheese, a little salt and pepper, stir that all together, and guys, that's it. It was so easy, and that's Bobby Flay's version of his nacho cheese.
All right, great. So we got our salsa, we've got our cheese sauce. Now it's time to make the meat patties.
So I like Bobby Flay. I mean, he is like a really good cook. He's been on Food Network for like years and years and years. Everything with Bobby Flay always has like something turned up. So I'm always excited to try it because it's like food I want to eat, but like better. I'm waiting for my pan to heat up, but from the cheese sauce that we made, I felt like, I don't know if it's just the American in us, but I was like, well, like it's cheese sauce and we're making our own nacho cheese, but I want it to be yellow. I'm just used to that like American fake yellow cheese.
Oh yeah, and I didn't have any pecorino.
How do you say it, Gina?
I didn't have the other cheese.
Oh, well, what's it called? What's that cheese
Parmesan. Called? Okay, salsa, cheese sauce, and the meat patties. Now it's just time to assemble.
First thing is the yummy cheese sauce, and then some of that homemade salsa with the chipotle. And I find this interesting because you normally, you make salsa with some lemon juice, but it's red wine vinegar, so I wonder if I'll like it as much. Let's see.
And I did read one review, one out of many, but it happened to catch my eye and it said how it was watery. So I would be careful not to spoon the whole thing in there. All right, are you doing jalapenos too?
I am.
Are you doing the blue corn tortillas?
Tortillas, yes. Blue, no. See, that makes no sense, right? I want my cheese to be yellow, but I don't care my tortillas are not blue.
Oh, and a cute little burger. I just want to watch Kat eat hers.
Okay, let's do it.
Ready, set, go.
All right.
I want to taste the cheese sauce by itself. I don't get a lot of cheese flavor.
I wished it had a little bit more punch to this burger. It's good. Mm-hmm. Is it amazing? Packed full of flavor? I don't think so.
It's good. Would I make it for others? I don't know. I don't think so.
It's good. I think that just from like the description, a nacho burger, I just envisioned really thick, gooey cheese. And he had us make the sauce, but I don't know. I feel like it's just missing that tailgate flavor,
It's a gentle flavor, yeah. So we're not doing a very good review. It's a little, we like it, but I guess I'm not gonna make it again. It is good.
Gina's right, it's a gentle nacho, but it's still a great dish to add to any tailgate party. So make it, like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week when we find another cool celebrity recipe to try. Bye. Everyone always keep falling in love again.
what's wrong with them. I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too